Yo. Once again, another video. Um, a little late this time. My bad. I was doing shit all day. But what's it called? Today, I took nothing. I wanted to see longs coming in the open. As most people, I saw a lot of TikToks. People talk, oh, if you took longs today, you're an idiot. Well, I didn't take anything, so props to me, I guess. Right. For NQ, we had a lot of low resistance liquidity right here. So I was still looking for all of that to get taken, but we didn't really take any of that. We had swept these highs, and on ES, right? That's the main confluence for ES on a daily. This is all-time highs, nothing else, right? So we swept all-time highs, and we had to push down, which I was looking bullish, but I was like, we're also on all-time highs. I realized that, but I still didn't want to take anything besides the bulls because, sometimes all-time highs we just shoot straight up still, right? So with that, we saw us go sweep out one of these low resistance liquidities, and ES do the same thing. We swept out all-time highs and we just hit the bid, right? So there's really no point. Like, I was looking for maybe, we had EQ here of the range. There was a 4-hour range. Looking at EQ of that, maybe we're tapping the EQ and respect consequent encroachment of this fair value gap here, and maybe go back up. But we just kept dumping. We went pretty far. We almost could have swept these lows, and then for the rest of the day after that area, we just chopped. So yeah, it could have been possible to see reverse here, continue higher, but we did not get that. So therefore, I didn't take anything. I need to see some confluence, something. And to be honest, I can't hate on people who took longs. I just don't know where you would have took longs. There's not, maybe this leg. Oh, you see a CISD or whatever. But I'm sorry, I need to see more confirmation. And it was just chop the whole day after this dump in market open. So I didn't take anything, We're trying to switching up stuff. I don't know if I like this camera or these chart colors yet. I'm trying to make some earth tone something, but I might just go back to my OG ones, to be honest. They're kind of weird looking. I changed the webcam a little bit too. It's on this side more now, but we'll see if we like it or not, Adjusting new things. I think I'm definitely probably gonna change these chart colors, but we'll see. But yeah, that's really it. Didn't take anything today. Being patient. And I didn't see anything that I liked, so therefore I didn't take much. And short video today. Nothing really else to go over, but we'll see how next week plays out. Definitely a emotional week for me, like trading wise. But we're a fresh new week. I didn't blow the PA, which is great. Back when I was trading a lot of evals, I just overtrade the hell out of them and blow them in a day or two. So big ups to me that I didn't do that, but I'm really going to work on the psychology, right? One trade a day. Yes, I did take 2 trades yesterday, but I was like, this trade's going to hit. I know it. And it presented itself, and it did. So, yep. That's really it, one trade. I'm going to really work on my psychology. There's been big improvements, but if I want to push to the goals and the levels that I want to go to, it has to be done soon. So this next upcoming week, I've been really slacking, not on back testing, but on the quality of my back testing. So I'm going to work on that as well, Tomorrow, I'm probably going to wake up early and do some back testing and really just focus on going back to what I know instead of just seeing a level get hit, seeing my entry model and taking it. That's kind of retarded. I want to take like real shit, real setups where that actually makes sense and have good context. And just slowly improving, man. Like there's only really one way for me to go when it's up, bro. Like, yeah, I can have bad trading moments, but I believe my trading is going to just get better and better every day. So I'm spending that time and effort to look at these charts and back test these charts and analyze what I did wrong and journal all this shit every single day, bro. And I believe in myself, man. I'm gonna make it. It's just a matter of time. I'm not gonna rush it. Yeah, I do have goals. Like I mentioned the 10K stuff or getting my first payout by this month, but I really can't rush it, bro. I need to get that in my head. Like I just need to trade. It's not about the money. It's about trading, mastering, or get as good as possible at trading. You know what I'm saying? You can't. There's no one gonna have 100% win rate. No one gonna have all that shit. But just being the best trader and person I can be, bro. I've really been locking down for my discipline overall in my life, and I've definitely seen improvements, bro. I missed the gym for a long time, but I've come back to the gym. I've already seen my body change back. Um, Discipline on the charts has been getting better, right? I've seen improvements. Just 2 weeks ago, I was still like, am I ever gonna pass an eval? But right now I'm here on a PA and pass another account, and on the way to pass my third account, the My Fund Futures. So it's really great to see, and it's just a grind, bro. And I'm willing to take the grind, bro. I wanna reap the rewards, you know. I wanna get to my dream cars. I wanna give back to my family. I wanna give back to myself, bro, for all the effort I put in. I wanna give back to God, bro. Like I wouldn't even be here right now in a scenario without God. So it's a big thing, and we just keep going, bro. But that's really all for tonight, fellas. I'll catch y'all.